welcome to Arty Makes. I'm going to show you how to make a festive folding friend. Here's one I've already made. So I've got a couple of paper clips just to hold it closed so it's more of a surprise. And it's Santa under there. All you see is his hat when it's all closed up like that. So when you make one of these, they're a great thing to give to somebody else as a bit of a surprise. I've got some others that I'm going to show you a little bit later. And I'm going to show you now how to make one. So all you need is some colouring pens or pencils, a pencil and a pen to draw with, a rubber and a couple of paper clips. And of course you need a piece of paper, and I'm using some A4 paper here. So what you need to do first is fold it in half, like that. Make sure you get the two edges together and then make it a really firm fold, like that. Then you're going to fold that top piece back on itself, again finding that half mark, and that's what gives you that kind of spring in the paper. So it's time to start sketching on the bit that you can see on your festive friend, and in this case it's going to be a very fancy top hat. I'm making quite a fancy character here, so it's even going to have some shine on the hat, and then I can open it out and that's where the rest of it will be. But I need to mark where the bottom of my character needs to be, so that's, I can't go below that line. I mean, you could do depending on the character, but I'm not going to. Now I'm going to do a ball shape here, a round shape here. I bet you can guess what I'm doing now, maybe. And then two eyes and then a carrot for a nose. You definitely got who it is now, haven't you? So this is going to be a snowman. So it needs a nice round, big body like this. And then I can add a little bit more detail with the pen. So I now can do a lot more detail in my picture, and I can also fix any areas that I'm not happy with that I did in pencil. So I've made the brim a little bit wider, and there I've got the hat. I was all right with that bit. I'm putting the band on the hat, and this bit is going to be the shine, so it's just going to show me where not to colour, and there's going to be a little bit more shine on the ribbon part. Now I could be doing this bit in a blue pen because I think that would look like snow then, but I think it's clearer for me to show you in this video it in a black line like that. But if you wanted to do it in blue, that would work really well. It would give it a nice frosty feeling. So just going over my lines like that with the pen. And I can add a bit more detail. I told you my snowman was fancy. He's got a bow tie on, and then here are his twig arms. That's one done, and now the other one. So my snowman's kind of saying hi with his arms, looking very happy. And if I draw a little bit of snow on the bottom. So let's see if it works. Is it hidden? All you can see is a hat. So that will look like the snowman is like it's melted, won't it? Now I'm just rubbing out all those pencil lines, so I'll get a nice clean picture that will be ready for me to colour in. So I'm doing this quite carefully because I want to make sure that I get a nice picture really, because this is something I could give to somebody else as a little bit of a Christmas greeting. So there we go, I'm happy with that. So I'm all ready to colour it in. And I think I'm going to speed this bit up because you don't need to sit and watch me colour. I have chosen a snowman to do on this video because I thought it wouldn't need very much colouring. So it only needs sort of bits of black for the coal, and then I'm making a nice black top hat. But other than that, there's only a bit of carrot and the twigs for his arms. And of course I'm doing a ribbon matching his bow tie, and I'm all done. So now I need to double check that it's working, make sure that the pen isn't showing through to give anything away. And I've got my paper clips handy too. So if I fold it over, yeah, you can't see any of the other bit of snowman through there. Now I could add a message to this. I could say Happy Christmas up the top, or even down below. I could even make the snowman a bit taller and show a bit at the bottom, but I like the idea that you just see a hat in the snow in this picture, so it's almost like he's melted. So that's my snowman festive folding friend done. And I think he's all ready to give to somebody. Yay! Hello! Goodbye. Okay, I'll show you the other ones that I've made. This one, well, you can see it's a cracker. So you open it up, snap, and there's the cracker. So that one worked quite well. You could always do that one the other way as well, long ways, couldn't you? A landscape one. You've seen this one. So it's ho, 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 Merry Christmas. Now this one, let's see if you can tell who this one might be. It's a little stripy hat. It's me as an elf. If you're a member of the Arty Mates Club, I'm going to make these available for you to use as templates. So a black and white version of these will be on the page, and I'll put the link in the description if anyone wants to know how to become a member of Arty Makes. Thank you for watching the video. Please like it, subscribe to the channel and ring that bell for notifications so you know when there's some more Arty Makes out there for you to make. Happy Christmas and take care. Bye bye.